Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back. We've decided to pull the cab off again. We're trying to body drop it, trying to get at least another 2 inches out of it, maybe one, 1.5. Either way, it's going down. So, in order to do that, I'm going to have to remove the dash. So, I just brought it down here so I can just move all this mess out the way, get it done. In the cab, we were noticing that the air conditioning, like I don't even think I'll be able to sit in there. You probably got to be about 4'2" to be comfortable, but it's not going to work. So we've decided to go ahead and get rid of the whole AC system. So it's another reason why we pulled it off. So just want to let y'all know. The dash, um, I'm going to drill out the spot welds. Go ahead and pull it off as one piece, even though I cut it. And then that way when I put it back, I could just put it back in the same area, clamp it down, spot weld it back in again, and it'll look just like it did. These are my keeper. Well, I'm gonna keep them for now. Once I decide I need them, don't need them, um, and then move on to the next. Once you get to that ring, and then you can see, then you'll know that that skin will come apart. So just wanted to show y'all. The dash is out, completely out. And for those of you who were wondering why I was using a hatchet and a hammer, well, I was only doing it to show you that you can do it, use almost any tool. You don't really have to have tool. You could have used a little chisel like that, maybe, or they actually make a tool to separate skins. I don't have mine on me, or I would have used it. But after the firewall, we went on ahead and took the AC unit out completely. I'll give you a couple close-ups. Okay, now you see with the AC unit out the way, I'm going to bring the bench seat because we're putting a 1965 El Camino bench seat. Hopefully that's what we're wanting. I'm going to be able to trim the firewall a little more. See my wiring, I'll do something with that later. And just cleans everything up. So I'll be able to weld these in. So here's what it looks like from the top. You see my big thick brace there that I'm gonna weld to the A pillars, and you see the firewall. I'll make this inner cowl here. I'll trim it down as much as I can. Once I set the other one out on there, I'll build my own wall that will attach this firewall to the cowl. All right, now my next thing I'm going to do is this bracing. I want the cab to sit lower, so the back was perfect where I wanted it the first time, but now I'm going to raise it up a little bit just so if I can get this to touch the floor and sit on the floor, and then that'd be perfect, and have the rest of it just kind of floating is my plan. Now that I've taken it off several times, I've been able to just figure it out as I go. So it's fun. It's definitely a labor of love. All right. And that wraps it up for another day. Thank you, everybody, for following. Um, we'll continue on. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, share, comment.